everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video with Reece Jets. Today we have an Allegiant 757-200 flight miniatures. I really like this model. I think it's really nice. It's got some specifications on the back. The Allegiant logo, a nice picture of the model aircraft itself, and some information here. So let's get dived in and see what this model is all about. So this is the model itself. It is really nice. I really like this one. It's got nice detail on the front. Nice Rolls-Royce engines. The Allegiant logo. Travel is our deal slogan. The registration. It's got a nice tail. It's got an APU at the back. You know that I love an APU on a model aircraft. Yeah, it's just a really stunning model. I really like it a lot. It looks a lot like Jet2 Holidays. Someone did a video of the comparisons of them both, I think it were, and how Jet2 adopted delivery. But yeah, it's really nice. The stand is also very nice. Flight Miniatures always do an amazing job at model aircraft. They're always top quality models. So let's see what it looks like behind the background.